Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look. It's kind of a Dolly sort of look with enlarged eyes, small lips, very fleshy cheeks, just that kind of thing. I really like how it turned out. I definitely want to make something more like this now. I think it's quite flattering. That's just my taste as well. And I hope you guys give it a try for yourselves, and let's move on to the tutorial.
So, I've already put in my contacts and applied my foundation, and I'm moving right into the eyeshadow. Starting with a matte beige shadow with a fluffy brush, I'm applying this all over my brow bone and under my eyes to create a smooth base for blending. I'm now using a crease brush to apply a peach tone transition shade through my crease and under my eyes. I'm now using the same brush as before to apply a soft brown shade to the outer corner of my eyes and through my crease, as well as on the outer corner of my lower eyelid to create even more depth. The angle I'm going on the outer corner is downwards to create a droopy look for the eyes. I'm now using a smaller crease brush to apply this deeper brown shade in the exact same areas, though using it more sparingly and trying to pull the eyes downward even more. I'm using my fingertip to apply this bronze-toned highlighter. It's a cream highlighter, and I'm using it as a base for the next shadow. Using a flat brush, I'm applying this shimmery champagne shade all over my eyelid and where I placed that base down before. Using my fingertip once more, I'm applying a white cream highlighter to my inner corner of my eye as well as my inner half of my lower eyelid. And with a small flat brush, I'm applying this white duochrome shade to my inner corner of my eye as well as under my eye where I put that base down before. Using a pencil brush, I'm applying this mahogany shade to the outer corner of my eyes as well as under them to create more warmth. Using that same pencil brush, I'm taking a darker brown shade and applying that on the outer corner of my eyes, as well as under them, even closer to the lash line to create a lot more depth, as well as outlining under my tear bags. Finally, I'm lining my eyes with some black eyeshadow, going downwards in a slope, and then creating some small false lashes under the lash line. I'm applying a white eye pencil to my waterline to create even more brightness and make my eyes look even larger. And now I'm using a black mascara by Wet n Wild and putting that through my upper and lower lashes. For a final touch of brightness, I'm applying this white highlighter to my brow bones as well as my tear ducts using that small flat brush from before. Using an angled brush, I'm applying this light brown shadow through my brows, creating a straight, natural shape with them. As for the blush, I'm using this pale pink with a large brush and applying that thoroughly to my cheeks and the tip of my nose. Using a smaller brush, I'm applying a slightly deeper, more shimmery blush right under my eyes and around my brow as well, pulling it all together. To neutralize the color of my lips, I'm applying this concealer stick to them and blending it out with a beauty sponge. I'm making the inner part of my lips darker than the outer part by applying this red lip crayon to them and blending it out. And for some added cuteness, I'm using a red toned lip gloss and applying it all over my lips. And that's the finished look. Now I'm just fixing my hair and making it look right for the part.
And that was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you want to see more content from me, please check out my channel and consider subscribing. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I think that's all, so thanks for watching. Bye!